Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Pinterest app. Firstly, go to your app store. Then go to search, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click search and then search up Pinterest. Once shown, you may tap on the cloud-like icon or the get icon below Pinterest. While we wait for the app to download, I would like to tell you what Pinterest is. Pinterest is a social media platform and mobile application that allows users to discover, save, and share ideas for various projects and interests. Users can create boards to organize their ideas, which can include images, recipes, fashion inspiration, home decor, and more. Now that the app is successfully downloaded, you may open the app and log in or create your account. This is how you can easily install the Pinterest app. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below.